Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. Alright, so I was getting ready to do my FabFitFun box. I was doing my skincare, my hair, and I heard a knock at the door and I saw this ice cream beauty box sitting there. I opened it up, didn't think much of it. I was like, alright, what is my next video going to be? I saw this palette and I was like, get on my eyes immediately. I don't care what look I was going to do. This is going to be the look. That is how gorgeous this palette is. It is so gorgeous. It motivated my butt to do 2 videos in one day. When did you see that last? Never. I'm lucky if I can put out my normal videos on time, which I have been failing so badly to get on track. But anyways, this is going to be the August Ice Cream Box. This box costs $24 each single month. All right, wait till you see this. So this is the Mermaid Scales Cosmetics X Ice Cream Beauty Mermaid Tails. First off, this packaging is so gorgeous. It's not over the top. It doesn't look kiddie at all, which I like. There's sometimes that it looks kiddie. I was like, is this for grown-ups? But look at this. Look at these pops of colors. I'm thinking about 2 or 3 other eye looks I could be doing with this. So the ones I use today are seaweed at the outer corner of my eye. Then for the rest of my lid, I use splash over here. Then for my brow bone, I use sand. For my crease shade, I used Fantastic. You barely dipped in there. It's that pigmented. And I think that's all I used. Yeah. But I'm telling you, these 2 over here, I don't like bright colors. But this orange and this pink, oh my goodness. You can do the best sunset eye look. Absolutely gorgeous. So, amazing. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of swatches, nothing crazy, just to show you how pretty. I mean, come on. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is this eyeliner that I have on. This is by Charmacy, and it is the Duochrome Liquid Eyeliner. It is so pretty. Now you can use this on its own if you would like and build it up. Or they suggest it is putting it on top of your black eyeliner. That's what I did, and look how pretty it is. I just did 1 coat on top of the black eyeliner, and the look, I'm telling you, they outdid it with these colors in this box. Because I saw somebody else unbox this, and I thought you were going to get 2 eyeliners, and I really wanted the purple one. It was like this bright metallic purple, but I am so happy with this as well. And look at the shift that you're getting with that. This is not big and clunky. I thought it was going to be. The person that I reviewed, I think her name is Alexa Ryan or Alexandria Ryan, and she said, oh, it's so clunky. If you're putting this on, you can actually see where you're putting it. If this was actually smaller, this would get in the way and you would not be able to see where you're putting the eyeliner down. So I really like the applicator on here. The brush is amazing. It holds enough product. You don't have to keep dunking it in. I dunked it in once and I was able to finish 1 entire eye. Then I dunked it in again and finished the other one. There's so many eyeliners that you have to keep dipping and dipping and dipping. This is a one and done for 1 eye. I absolutely love this. This is the best eyeliner I've gotten this year. That's how amazing it is. All right, so these are the things I did not try. This is Mermaid Ocean Breeze. It looks like a baby blue. Let me cut this open. Don't get my finger. There we go. There's not very much product in here as I dump some of it. I'm not going to do that anymore. Let me dip my finger in here. All right, so this is really, really light. So this will definitely be a topper. What I'm going to do is use it as a halo eye. So I'm going to put some glitter glue in the middle of my eye and just tap it in. I think that would be really pretty. That is really gorgeous. Boy, this just accentuates how crusty my hand is. I need to get some hand lotion on. All right. Next thing is Beauty for Certain. I've seen this brand in here with another lip product. I did not do a wear test on that one either, so let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. It says number 50 matte liquid lipstick. Okay, this is not matte, this is metallic. So this, the only way I'm going to use it is probably on a red lip and then putting this right in the middle. I don't want my whole lip to be metallic. I have dry lips and that would just make it look like 2 raisins on my face, which absolutely not. But having it in the middle of my lips, I think that'd be really gorgeous with a red lip. And with fall coming up, I'm definitely going to use this. Now, these don't really go together for me. The shade along with these eye shades, I wouldn't create a look with it together, but you do you. The last thing I absolutely hate seeing. I know a lot of people like this brand, and I'm not shitting on it. I'm sick of getting it. So this is by Earth Harbor, and this is the Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. It has spirulina and matcha. It's just with all the boxes that I get this all the time, this brand. So it looks like a very light green, like a light green tea color. Scent's not that bad. I don't know. I'm just sick of seeing it. At least you don't get very much skincare. It's a very rare thing you get skincare in the ice cream box. So what did you think of the box? Can you see why I'm so excited about this palette? I mean, I had so much fun playing with my eyeshadow. It motivated my lazy butt to put 2 videos in. If that's not a call about how amazing this box is, I don't know what is. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I always enjoy this time hanging out with you, and that you keep coming back. I'm telling you, you guys are the best. I love you so much, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.